Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a bot to your Discord server, step by step, in just a couple of minutes. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to add a bot. Keep in mind, you'll need to be the server owner or have the managed server permission to do this. Now, click on your server name at the top left corner and from the drop-down, select Server Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find the app directory. This is where all the bots and apps for Discord are listed. Once you're in the app directory, you'll see tons of bots to choose from. You can browse through different categories or use the search bar if you already have a specific bot in mind. For example, let's say I want to add the green bot. I'll click on it, then select Add to Server. A pop-up window will appear asking which server you want to add the bot to. Choose your server from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. Next, Discord will show you the permissions that the bot needs. These permissions allow the bot to perform certain actions in your server, so review them carefully. If everything looks good, click Authorize and complete the CAPTCHA if it appears. And that's it. You've successfully added a bot to your Discord server. Now, each bot works a little differently, so you'll want to check its list of commands or help menu to see what it can do. For example, some bots respond to a prefix like /help or ! command. It all depends on the bot you installed. If you followed along and got your bot working, nice job. Discord bots can do so much, from managing chats and playing music to adding games, levels, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to keep leveling up your Discord skills, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.